Welcome to the channel, guys. In today's video we are showing you exactly how to change your Wi-Fi name and password, whether you want to change just your Wi-Fi name, just the password, or both. We have got you covered. We'll walk you through the entire process step by step, so there's nothing to worry about. Let's dive in. Make sure you follow along closely so you don't miss a step. Start by opening a web browser on your computer. Microsoft Edge, Chrome, whichever you prefer will work fine. Before we go any further, make sure your device is connected to the Wi-Fi network you want to change. As you can see, I'm already connected to on my end. Next, we need your router IP address so we can log in to its settings. You can easily find this on a label on the back of your router or in the manual that come with it. If you can't track it down that way, no problem. Just open the Windows search bar and type in command prompt or CMD. Open up command prompt, type ipconfig and hit enter. You will see list of network details pop up. Scroll down until you spot default gateway. That's the number we need. I have got a few network adapter listed, but my default gateway is shown on the screen. Yours might be different, so just note down whatever shows up for you. Now head back to your web browser, click on the address bar, type in your default gateway address and hit enter. Give it a moment to load the web page. Quick note, you might see a not secure warning pop up. Don't panic, that's completely normal. It just means the router local page doesn't have an SSL certificate, which isn't something to worry about. Simply click advance, then hit continue and you will land on the router login page. Time to log in with your router username and password. These are usually printed on the sticker on the back of a router or listed in the manual. Most router default to admin as the username and sometimes admin as the password too. Though plenty of router are used same thing different. If you are not finding their login details anywhere, a quick search online with your router's brand and model number should pull up the default credentials. I have got mine right here on the back of the router, so I will go ahead and enter it and click login. It might take a few seconds to load. Once you are in, look for network in the left hand menu, then click wireless. Keep in mind every router interface looks in a little different, but the wireless settings should be somewhere in the general area. My router has two brands, 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz. And if yours does too, you will need to update each one separately. Let's start with the 2.4 GHz network. I will click into it and scroll down. Here is where you will find your current SSID, which is just technical term for your Wi-Fi network name. Mine currently set to Cyber Canvas, but I will change it to something more recognizable like Take a Dialog. Once that's update, scroll down a bit further to find the WPA key. There's your Wi-Fi password. Clear out the old one, type in a new password and click save. If your 5 GHz band is turned on, go ahead and repeat the same step there. I personally keep the same name and password across both bands for simplicity, but you can absolutely give in them different names if you rather tell them apart. For example, taking on 5G to 1 so it's easy to spot. Depending on your router model, you may also have the option to turn off a band entirely by unchecking its enable box. And that's really there is to it. Once everything looks good, hit save and your new Wi-Fi name and password will be up and running. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more real videos.